I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable custom fonts and keyboards on your iPhone. So first, to add a new keyboard, we're going to open our Settings app. Next, we're going to scroll down and click General, and then we'll scroll down again and find the Keyboards option and open that. In the Keyboard setting, we'll click Keyboards here at the top, and then you can click Add New Keyboard, and then add whichever keyboard you'd like, based on any language or GIF keyboard or any sort of funny keyboards that you might have installed through the App Store. The simplest way to change to the new keyboard you've added is to simply open up your new keyboard by tapping into any particular text box, then clicking the globe icon, and then it will switch to this next keyboard in your grouping. But you can also tap and hold the globe and then drag your finger over to whichever specific keyboard you want to open. In this case, I'm just going to go back to English, and then there's your particular keyboard that you're choosing. Now, in a similar fashion, you can add new fonts to your keyboard. So let's go back, and then we're going to scroll down and tap Fonts. Once you've downloaded a particular font from the App Store, you can go into My Fonts and you will see it there. If you'd like to download fonts, you can open up this settings and then click open the App Store, and it will bring you over there to where you could search whichever fonts that you'd like. In the keyboards, we'll open up our keyboards here, and you can see this fonts keyboard is now here, and it shows multiple languages. So when you type into a text box, all you do is tap the world icon and it'll switch over to your new keyboard. And in this particular app, it'll show the fonts right here, like serif bold, serif, and some of them are paid, so you don't get all of them. And now you should be all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.